Toyota Canada is pleased to now offer owners of most 2014 and newer model vehicles the ability to update the firmware for your multimedia system at no charge from the convenience of your own home. A firmware is a type of software that is basically an operating system for your multimedia system. Firmware updates are sometimes also referred to as software updates. The purpose of updating your firmware is to ensure that your vehicle is functioning with the most current and up-to-date software available, enhancing system operation and stability and compatibility. Previously, this was only possible through an appointment with a dealership's service department. Now this process can conveniently be done by following the 3 easy steps outlined on this webpage titled Multimedia and Audio System Update. This page can be accessed by visiting toyota.ca and then selecting the menu tab in the top right corner of the page. Listed under the My Toyota heading is the link to the Multimedia and Audio System Update page. Before beginning, it is recommended that you read through the frequently asked questions located at the bottom of the page. The FAQs provide questions and answers to clarify the process and can also assist if questions arise. Some examples of frequently asked questions are: what do these updates do? Is there any charge to download the update? How long will the update take? How do I know if I need to update the firmware? All these questions and more are addressed in the Frequently Asked Questions section. If further questions or concerns arise, you can visit your nearest Toyota dealership for assistance. Please be advised, charges may apply. It is important to note that in order to complete a firmware update, you will require a blank USB 2.0 flash drive with a storage capacity of 2 GB to 8 GB. All information required is provided to you within this webpage. Detailed download and installation instructions are provided after vehicle information has been entered. Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.